As you can see, I'm breaking the spawn up using the spoon gradually. Now, once you are done breaking it up into your bowl, keep this one side, then you disinfect your own hand too. So you have to disinfect your hand. Once you have done that, you can use your hand to break it up. Break them up. Use your hand to break them up. Now, once you have done that, you disinfect your hand again. Then you start picking your bag one after the other. You remove your phone, the foam rather. You take this quantity, something like this, you spread it around the substrates, the blocks. Now once you see that is well spread, note, you can see that there is no breakage among the seed. That is, they are connected with each other. So make sure that at least for those edges, make sure that they are well connected, as in you spread them around. There is no space, there is no gap around them. So once you do that, you give it to your partner to knot it back. Jackson, you are supposed to disinfect. Continue. So make sure either you or your partner disinfect your hand again after inoculating. Now, once you do that, then you plug it back with your phone. And you are done. So I'll do about 2 more. Then let's do one more. And that is how you inoculate your block. So before I end this video, I'd like to go through what we have here, just to mention a few of just to mention those things we have here. As you can see, we have a bottle of disinfectant. We pour hydrogen peroxide into this bottle. That's what we are using to disinfect our hand. A bowl that you pour your spawn. Now once you pick a bottle of spawn, you break it into the bowl. Then you break them up so that they can be loose. You can easily spread them on your block. You need a white handkerchief. And like I said earlier, everything you are bringing into your incubating room must be disinfected. Even you yourself, when you're coming in, you must have a bowl of water at the entrance of your incubating room. Make sure that inside that bowl of water there is hypo inside it, so that when you're coming in from outside, you don't bring in contamination into your incubating room. So, and I think for now that is going to be all. We have about 180 bags that I want to inoculate today. So I will be stopping this video here. We'll talk later. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.